Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be planning my TPT products for November. So basically what I'm going to start with is I'm going to start by wrapping up my October content. So this means any Halloween resources or Hispanic Heritage Month resources that I have left, I'm going to finish them up and get them up. And then for October, I'm going to be creating content for November. So that means in November, I'm going to be creating content for December, and December I'll be making content for January. So I just want to be a good month ahead because it just seems to work out better that way. So the first thing you can do is you can create Veterans Day resources, which is what I'll be doing. It takes place on November 11th. You can do Veterans Day activity kits. This could be thank you notes. It could be doing research on what Veterans Day is, maybe the different branches of the military. So there's a lot of options you can do there. You could do a Veterans Day bulletin board set, as well as classroom decor. And then you could do a Veterans Day storybook guide. So this could be so many different things. I like the idea of incorporating more themed books into my shop. So having a suggested list of books and then activities to go with that. So you could do a suggested list of books and some coloring pages. So I think that'd be something interesting to do for Veterans Day. Next, Native American Heritage Month is in November. So you can do all different kind of resources about historical figures. You can do interactive cultural art kits. So this could be a multi-step process. So this could be possibly collecting leaves, drying them in books, and then making a mural out of it. You could have students do leaf rubbings. There's just so many things that you can do, but make it a multi-step process and interactive so that it gets students more involved in the process. And once again, you could do Native American Heritage Month book collection with writing prompts. So you could even do how many books, like a book per day with a writing prompt per day. I feel like that would be very interesting and helpful for the students. And that would be something super easy to make for your shop. Finally, Thanksgiving, you can do writing prompts. You could do what am I thankful for? You could do craft kits. And then you could also do painting or stenciling with food. And what would be interesting is to create a page and then you could give instructions on how to paint slash stamp with a apple, a potato. You could do ink on a corn cob and have students rub and roll it on the page to create a pattern. And then you can even include a project description as well as skills that were learned. So that would be fine motor skills, experimenting with color theory, different things like that. So those are a few things that you could make for November. Please leave a comment in the description below. What are you going to be making for your shop in November? And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you next time.